Struggling with tiring garden work and tools that don't last? In this video, you'll discover powerful WORKPRO garden and lawn care tools designed to save time, reduce strain, and make gardening easier and more enjoyable than ever. WORKPRO electric pruning shears. It's a battery-powered pruning shears that effortlessly cut through branches up to a specified diameter, significantly reducing hand fatigue during extensive pruning sessions. Perfect for orchard maintenance, vineyard work, landscape professionals, and homeowners with large gardens who need efficient, comfortable pruning power. Dandelion Weeder Puller. Specialized weeding tool with a forked design that removes dandelions and deep-rooted weeds completely, including tap roots, with a long handle that prevents back strain. Ideal for organic lawn care enthusiasts and gardeners who want to eliminate weeds without using harmful chemicals or constantly bending over. Garden tool set. Complete garden tool collection including common implements like trowel, cultivator, pruners, and fork with ergonomic handles designed for extended use comfort. Perfect for starting a new garden, equipping a garden shed, or replacing worn tools for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts maintaining flower beds and vegetable gardens. 16-inch hand rake. Bow rake design featuring sturdy steel construction for leveling soil, removing debris, breaking up clumps, and preparing garden beds effectively. Durable construction withstands heavy use, used by gardeners for soil preparation, lawn maintenance, spreading mulch, and general yard work requiring reliable, long-lasting raking tools. Battery-powered fertilizer spreader. Motorized handheld spreader that evenly distributes fertilizer, grass seed, ice melt, and other granular materials with adjustable spread pattern controlling application area. Perfect for homeowners maintaining lawns and gardens, winter ice control, overseeding projects, and anyone needing consistent, efficient spreading without manual cranking or broadcasting. Repotting mat. Waterproof mat with raised edges that contains soil and mess during plant repotting activities, preventing spills onto floors and surfaces. Essential for indoor gardeners, plant enthusiasts, nursery workers, and anyone repotting houseplants who wants to keep their workspace clean and make cleanup quick and easy after gardening. 6 pairs garden gloves. Value pack of protective gloves designed for garden and yard work with breathable material and reinforced palms for durability and comfort. Perfect for families, having clean gloves always available, protecting hands during landscaping, and anyone doing regular outdoor work who goes through gloves frequently or wants backup pairs. 8-piece pink garden tool set. Complete garden tool set in pink color featuring ergonomic design with trowel, pruners, cultivator, and more for comprehensive gardening needs. Great gift for gardeners, stylish garden shed decoration, and anyone who appreciates functional tools with aesthetic appeal while maintaining flower beds, vegetable gardens, and landscaping projects effectively. Hand weeder puller. Ergonomic hand weeder featuring stainless steel construction that extracts weeds with roots intact, preventing regrowth and maintaining rust-free durability. Perfect for flower beds, vegetable gardens, landscaping maintenance, and gardeners who prefer manual weeding for precision work around delicate plants without damaging desired vegetation or using chemicals. Extra thick kneeling pad. Dense foam kneeling pad, protecting knees during garden work with water-resistant surface that cleans easily after outdoor use in various conditions. Essential for comfortable extended gardening sessions, reducing knee strain and pain, and allowing gardeners to work longer on ground-level tasks, like planting, weeding, and detailed garden maintenance. Garden knee pads. Strap-on knee pads providing cushioning while working on ground with adjustable straps fitting different leg sizes comfortably and securely. Used by landscapers, professional gardeners, tile installers, and anyone spending extensive time kneeling who needs mobile knee protection that stays in place during movement and provides consistent cushioning. Hand weeder puller. Alternate hand weeder design with different ergonomic approach and sharp forked design penetrating soil easily for various weeding applications. Great for various soil types, different weeding techniques, garden maintenance, and providing options for gardeners who have personal preferences regarding weeding tool design, handle length, or working style. Weed puller tool. Stand-up weed removal tool, eliminating bending and kneeling with foot pedal mechanism, providing extraction leverage for removing weeds with roots intact. Perfect for maintaining large lawn areas weed-free, reducing back strain, and allowing users to weed efficiently while standing upright. Ideal for those with mobility issues or back problems. Mini greenhouse. Portable mini greenhouse creating ideal growing environment for seedlings with clear panels maximizing light while protecting from wind and cold weather. Essential for starting plants from seed, extending growing seasons, hardening off seedlings, and gardeners in cooler climates who want to start plants early or protect tender seedlings from unpredictable spring weather. Garden trowel. Durable metal trowel with comfortable handle for digging and planting, featuring measurement markings, assisting with proper planting depth for various plants. Used by gardeners for transplanting, planting bulbs, container gardening, soil work, and anyone doing detailed garden work requiring reliable trowel for digging small holes and moving soil efficiently. Crack weeder. Specialized tool removing weeds from cracks in pavement and between paving stones with long handle reaching difficult areas comfortably while standing. Perfect for patio maintenance, sidewalk cleaning, driveway crack weeding, and maintaining hardscaped areas where weeds grow between pavers, bricks, or concrete cracks requiring precise removal tools. Gardening doesn't have to be hard when you use the right tools. If this video helped you find better, smarter garden solutions, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tool reviews, and share it with a fellow gardener. Let me know in the comments which WORKPRO tool you'd use first.